back to another OneMonroe Minute. Today, we're going to be taking a look at bent hitch pins, what they are, how they work, and what they're used for. Bent hitch pins are a reliable solution for quick release operations in various industrial settings. Equipped with a user-friendly quick release mechanism, the bent hitch pin allows for swift installation and removal, eliminating the need for excess tools or time-consuming procedures. Its sturdy construction and corrosion resistance coating guarantees long-term reliability, even in challenging environments. These pins also help boost operational efficiency, minimize disruptions, and optimize workflow. When choosing a pin, it's important to choose the right coating and weight rating to ensure that the pin can handle the load that you're towing or securing. Here's a closer look at one. As you can see, it's a straight metal pin with a bend at the top, which forms a handle and a hole at the other end. This hole is where a clip or cotter pin goes to lock the hitch pin in place, preventing it from sliding out during use. Designed for versatility, bent hitch pins find applications in agricultural machinery, construction equipment, and automotive manufacturing. Whether you're securing components during assembly or performing rapid changeovers, this pin ensures seamless operations. They're also used in towing, industrial material handling, and trailer hitching. Here at OneMonroe, we provide bent hitch pins in various sizes and coatings. To learn more, be sure to reach out to one of our sales engineers. Thanks for watching this week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos in the future, and we'll see you next time with another OneMonroe Minute.